Hello 12th class, this is your ninth chapter, last chapter of Indian politics, that is recent developments in the Indian politics. To begin with this chapter, here we will discuss all those 5 crucial developments which took place during this time. 5 major developments he has mentioned in your NCERT book. Let us see what were those. The very first one was that Congress party, which scored near about you can say these many seats, 415 seats in Lok Sabha elections in 1984, this party lost the elections in 1989. The party could win only 197 seats. See, the party which was holding these many seats in 1984, okay, secured only 197 seats in the Lok Sabha elections. Clear? Then second development, it says there was a Mandal issue during this period. For the backward OBCs, other backward classes, कुछ recommendations दिया था मंडल कमीशन ने regarding their reservation. So this was the major event which we shall be dealing with in detail in this particular chapter. Then another development took place that when Rajiv Gandhi became the Prime Minister after Indira Gandhi, he brought some changes. And these changes were visible in 1991, but slowly what happened कि उनकी डायरेक्शन ही जो थी वो डिफरेंट हो गई. इंडियन इकोनॉमी की जो आज़ादी के बाद जिस डायरेक्शन में हमारी इंडियन इकोनॉमी चल रही थी, वो डायरेक्शन ही चेंज हो गई और उन चेंजेस को बहुत क्रिटिसाइज़ भी किया गया. बहुत मूवमेंट्स चले, बहुत ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चली, बट टाइम टू टाइम कोalition का पीरियड था. वेरियस गवर्नमेंट्स जब पावर में आती रही तो दे कंटिन्यूड विद ऑल दिस. सो दिस वी विल बी dealing with in this chapter. Then the fourth major event was not only one, certain events happened that you must be aware of the Babri Masjid issue. ठीक है, so it started here only. In 1992 जब डिमोलिशन ऑफ दिस डिस्प्यूटेड स्ट्रक्चर जो था अयोध्या में, जिसको बाबरी मस्जिद के नाम से हम जानते हैं, उसका बहुत इशू चला था और पूरे कंट्री में सेकुलरिज्म, नेशनलिज्म, ये इसके ऊपर बहुत सारी डिबेट्स हुई थी. सो दिस वी शैल बी डीलिंग इन डिटेल. Then another major event that the then Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, he was assassinated in 1991, May 91. ये इलेक्शन का टाइम था एंड ही वॉज असैसिनेटेड बाय द श्रीलंकन तमिल जो LTTE थी, उनके लिंक्स थे जिनके साथ ही वॉज किल्ड बाय दोज. तमिलनाडु में ही वॉज ऑन द इलेक्शन कैंपेन एजेंडा, तो देर ओनली ही वॉज असैसिनेटेड. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर आए नरसिम्हा राव एंड वी शैल बी डीलिंग this also in detail. So these were the major events, major developments which took place, and as your chapter is also recent developments in Indian politics, so this is the time we shall be discussing all these developments in the upcoming videos. Thank you.